If you have trouble cleaning your large tall windows, this robot suctions to the glass and thoroughly cleans from top to bottom. It has smart detection, so it'll never miss any spots on your window, and many safety features like a backup battery to prevent falling in the event of a power fail. It can be used with any type of glass cleaner, and I love that it leaves my windows shiny and streak free.
You know when you grab too many paper towels and you don't want to waste them? Well, this thing prevents you from wasting paper towels. Okay, so I thought this was the most genius thing I've ever bought, but first of all, where has this been all of my life? Fill it up with your favorite cleaning spray, and it also holds your paper towels. Is that not genius? I will have both of these listed under kitchen.
I'm convinced everyone needs this condiment caddy to serve all of the toppings or sauces for your next pizza or taco night with family. There's 5 removable compartments that you can fill with all of your toppings over ice to keep them cold throughout the evening. It comes with 3 different serving spoons and 3 tongs, so you don't have to worry about the utensils, and you can keep the entire container in the fridge until you're ready to serve it to your guests.
And first up, I have this oil dispenser that also has a measuring cup. It is so nifty to have. Next up is the reusable silicone food huggers. It saves me from using plastic baggies like Ziplocs. This strawberry slicing set takes out minimal fruit when hulling the strawberry and gets you the perfect slices every single time. I'm pretty darn weak when it comes to opening a jar, and this jar opener saves the day. And I didn't know I needed herb scissors until I got these herb scissors, and you absolutely need them.